What is up, people? Traders, chat. What's going on, everybody? What is up, people? Whoa. Forgot to turn the sound off. Brando, how you doing? What's up, Frank? Brando? Anyone else here? Paul? What's up, Paul? I'm about to play with these buttons real quick. I want to see what the sounds they make real quick. So, Edgar Leon. Regards, fellow traders. New ATH. Yeah, I know. I was watching that. I'm actually shorting it right now. See what that sounds like. Hang on, I gotta turn my music. I'm super sorry about that. It's super loud too. I'm super sorry about that. Give me 1 minute. I don't know how to turn it off. All right. That's the only one that does like a bunch of stuff. Take profit theme song. It lasts too long though. I want it to be like there and then gone. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna try one more real quick. I'm gonna turn my sound on so you'll hear double audio. It lasts too long though. I want it to be like there and then. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna try one more real quick. I'm gonna turn my sound on so you'll hear double audio. That one didn't do anything. All right, one more. Oh, I got it turned down. 1 second. So sorry. All right, so we know what that one is. All right. Let's try that. All right, so we know what that one is. All right, I'm gonna try one more. All right. Cool. Figured out how to turn it down. All right, here's another one. Figured out how to turn it down. Well, it didn't do anything. Yeah, I saw that. My contact at Apex hit me up. 90% off. Make sure y'all use code JSDT. Yeah, I saw that. My contact at Apex hit me up. Record your own and put them there. Yeah, the thing is, I don't know how to do that. What's up, Massey? Yeah, I don't know how to do that yet. Just give me 1 second. What's up, Massey? Yeah, I don't know how to do that yet. Just give me 1 second. What's up, Massey? Crickets. Womp, womp, womp. I'm using the, let me mute this. I'm using the Rodecaster Pro 2 something. It's got like 2, 4, 6, 8, and then you can channel over. So it's got quite a few. It's got quite a few things. I've been using this since day one. I've just never actually used it. when someone like tells me they made a lot of money on the market, I just want to hit that cash one. I don't know which one it is yet, so I'm trying to figure it out. I'm about to try another one. All right, the blue is the drums. I have spent probably $10,000 on accounts, give or take, or more. Blue is the drums. All right, the light blue. Sorry about the extra audio. I don't know where my headphones are. That was weird. Sorry about the extra audio. I don't know where my headphones are. That was weird. All right. Next one. Crickets. One second, Messi. Okay, that won't work. Probably around triple that. Maybe quadruple that. Yeah, quadruple. Maybe quadruple that. Yeah. All right, I'm done for now. I'll play with it later on my own time, I guess, instead of wasting your time. I'm currently in a trade short. We're at all-time highs, so every time we hit ATH, I like to short it. Anyway, I don't know how much I've made altogether. I need to like go through and see how much I've spent. I've done it before. Last time I did it was like 10 or 12,000, but that was like right before I had a really bad couple months. So I don't really know how much I've spent by now, but I haven't really been buying much lately either. So I've had the same accounts for a while and funded in evals for the last 30 days. Just been playing. But I got 2 new evals today. I did like $9,000 New York Open today. So not all funded. I didn't have a very good day on my Top Step account. Again, I did bring it back, but here's the stats. We are eligible for payout today, tonight, tomorrow. So we've hit our $200 a day for 1, 2, 3, 4. Tomorrow, today, tomorrow, whatever you want to call it, will be 5. So I'll be able to take the payout, but I think I'm gonna hang on, not take the payout. I haven't taken payouts in my other accounts either. I'm trying to build huge buffers because sometimes I get a little reckless, and I want to be able to get reckless because let me tell you, man, those reckless trades, they really pay off big time. So trying to build up a lot of buffer, and then I'll take my riskier trades. Build to 3K, I'd say, nah, I need more than that. I can lose 3K on one of my reckless trades. You are pretty consistent. Yeah, but the only thing is my last 2 days, man, I've had to really build myself out of a hole. I have been distracted. I will say that. So yeah, today wasn't as bad as yesterday. Yesterday I was up $500 or more at one time, and then I was down $500. But yeah, I am a consistent trader. I'm really only after $200 to $500, $250 to $500 a day on each account. So I have brand new Apex accounts that I haven't even traded yet. PAs. But I've been trying to get this Top Step payout and focus on Top Step and Apex. Just when I'm driving around, I don't do too well driving around on the iPad, I don't think. I'm not sure. I'm going to keep trying it out and see what we do. So far, we're up $1,500, $1,471. I'd like to get that to like $5,000, then take a payout of $2,500. And then I'm going to scale it up and try to increase my numbers. I'll switch over to minis and just keep taking the same trades I'm taking. And just so you know, the trade that you're seeing on the screen is an eval, so we're in 7 micros, almost a whole mini, so it's not something to worry about. So far today, we're up like $20 on Top Step. I want to hit the $200, and then I won't even trade it tomorrow, to be honest with you. We might be going up for even more all-time highs here. Jeez. What do you want, market? I like this rejection. That's why I went short. We got the rejection and try to go again, and then short. So I'm gonna add it. Order filled. That is so loud, John. So loud, bro. Anyway, I like the rejection. So, yo, Jim Blab, 3, 2, 1. Wrong way, sir. Honestly, I don't care which way it goes. I'm gonna trade it however it comes, but the market needs to kind of come down at some point to go further up if it's gonna go up. So far, we're down like $95 on this account. I took a trade earlier. It might just slow grind up all night. Who knows? We're 2 micros on this one here. Oh yeah, we're gonna do another Apex giveaway today. Let's go for 50 likes again. Ignore the 100 likes. Let's go for 50 likes tonight, and we'll get you guys in there. Let me go ahead and set the CloudBot giveaway. Complete. That way, everyone here can get in while they're here early. Some people like to leave. Apex account. Give. We'll shoot for an hour because I don't want to be here for more than an hour, to be honest with you. I'm a little tired. Prize, Apex, any account size. Must be a follower to win, so make sure you follow my Instagram. All right, you get a bonus for being a subscriber to Instagram and YouTube. Max tickets 2. All right, confirm. Chris V, cheers. Hope you're doing well today. Doing well, man. Doing well. Today's actually a really good day, and I'm not saying that lightly. I'll explain in a minute. And let's just catch up on the chat here real quick. You are pretty consistent. Yeah, thank you, sir. Got stopped out of my MNQ shorts, covered my MGC shorts too soon. Oh, man. I had a trade this afternoon. I covered too soon. As soon as I got it, I was literally $5 or so away from my $200. We were sitting at a Chewy's restaurant, and I got the $5 and I hit the X. And guess what it did right after I did? It went zoom. It sold off hard. I was like, dang, I could have added to my profits. But Massey, for Apex consistency rule, if I use 10 minis and a tight and at night I trade 3 micros, is that allowed? Yeah, you can trade 3 micros. You can't. So whenever you first get the account, honestly, I don't even know. You're supposed to only use half the available size until you build up some cash value. I'm gonna sell a little bit more here. I don't recommend doing this, by the way. I did it on my eval, but I'm not going to do it on my funded account. Chris V, IXHL sold off hard after the day ended. IXHL, is that a stock? Hey, did you guys hear about the PDT rule for stocks? I like trading stocks. I'm not a stock trader, but I like trading sometimes. But the PDT rule don't really affect me because I only trade once a month or so. I did, bringing it down to 2K. Yes, sir, 2,000. That's pretty awesome. At least I thought so. Might trade a little more stocks. Well, that's cool, Chris. Hopefully you captured some of that move. What was that? Dun-dun-dun. Was it this one? No, it was... I don't remember which one it was. Sorry if that's a crappy audio. I did bring it down to 2K. Well, hopefully there. We'll see. Yeah, it's not a for sure thing, but hopefully it happens. I mean, it'll help a lot of people get started, you know what I mean, with lesser capital. Today, I didn't do any work, but I feel tired like I did work. So I started out my day. I had a meeting with my insurance provider. They had to do an audit for my workman's comp, which I guess went well. We'll see. Might have to pay in a little more. But then I went to Murfreesboro to eat with my wife, and we had a good time. Hang on. Edgar Leon. Apex make consistent rule 5-1, 30% max day profit, total, i.e. at 50K, target 3K, 30%, 900. Yeah, you don't want to go down. Oh, 30%. I see what you're saying. $900 a day. But anyway, we were eating, and these people, for some reason, paid for our meal, which is really cool. I got to pay it forward somehow. Pay for someone else's meal sometime. But today I bought the sprayer that I was talking about the other day. Bought that. Should be here sometime next week, which is really cool. My back is going to be saved so bad. So good, I mean. But yeah, it was overall a great day. Very good day. How come it hasn't done the giveaway yet? Oh, because I have to click start giveaway, don't I? Yay. Alright, so the keywords in there, it's the same as last time. Use the exclamation apex. So get y'all's early entries in. Coach Fred, new here. Have a sub. Fun to see new faces. Hey, man. Very cool to see new faces, including yours, though I can't see it. Appreciate you hanging in and subscribing. All right, so we're starting to see some green now. 20 contracts down. So that's 2 minis. Nothing crazy. I know it looks crazy with the big 20 number. Frank DeVries, looks like you're captured. Chris V. Has anyone seen the response saying you got a ticket in? Because I don't see that happening. Streamlabs has really been messing up for me. you doing? Streamlabs, man. Get it together. We'll figure it out here in a second. You guys might have to type those entries in again. Sorry. All right, so far we're at 10 likes. Let's get that to 50. How many people are watching? 21. Come on, guys. All right, Streamlabs, don't fail me. See, it just keeps on doing this right here. I don't understand. It's all good, though. Might have to find another service. About sick of it. Frank DeVries, I've been in this short. 395 DCA break even is 424. You're almost there. I'm in a short. I'm currently up $3 on 4 minis or micros, sorry. And then 80 on 20 micros. So Apex 2. Wow, there it is. Yo, Gym Lab, you got it. All right, guys, go ahead and hit that Apex thing again. Looks like it's working. Yo, Gym Blab got it. What's up, beautiful? Huh? Love you. What you doing? Come give me a hug. I believe for Apex you have to follow with a 1 or 2. Oh, that's weird. Huh? What? Good enough? Handshake? Okay. Yeah, I can. On the screen there. Follow it with a 1 or 2, guys. See if it works. Good night. Love you. Put a space between Apex and 2, I think. Like this. Man. All right, trade with John. You received 1 ticket. Cool. Apex 1. And then you can probably do it again if you're a subscriber only, though. 2. You should get a 2nd ticket. I can only watch so much of Tiger. What is Tiger? Oh, thank God. Thanks for streaming. I got you. Tigger. Yeah. These kids, man, they like a lot of crazy stuff. I don't know how it works as far as stock Tiger. I don't know what it's doing and why it's not populating. All right, Yo Gym Lab got 2 tickets. Everyone else has 1. Oh, Chris V has 2 tickets. What's the secret, guys? I guess it's just Apex 1 again. Let's see if it works. It might actually just be like behind because I don't know. Something's up. Leave it to me to mess something up, right? All right, now everybody has 2 entries except for Chris and Brando Trades. Just keep doing it until it goes. All right, maybe it'll start breaking down to come down. I'd like to see it test VWAP at some point. We're down like $11. Chris, now you're in for 2 Brando trades. You need to do it one more time. You get your 2. But you have to follow on Instagram. Here's that link. Or to ignore it. Maybe. We got signal going both ways. I'm sitting on hands. Yeah, I agree, but this we're at all-time highs, man. I always short it. I know it can go up for even higher highs, but I'm counting on it to go down. I'm just scalping 1 micro, playing around. Yeah, I understand. But yeah, I could see your point as far as it going up, for sure. Looks like it's kind of in a trend, a little channel to the upside. But I like this rejection wick. See, like, I don't know if you can see that or not. Wait, previous rejection wick down. Another rejection wick down. Scrub Beats, just subscribe. Welcome in, sir. Rejection wick and should come down. Got a couple more smaller wicks here, but yeah, we'll see. I'm only up like $3. Well, I was. No short signals yet. Not for your plan. Yeah. I've just been trading this way for a while, so I'm kind of used to it. That's what I expect. And I even have it on a funded account, so I must believe in it, right? I need to copy trade 2 of my PAs over here. Dun, dun, dun. PA, which one? Where are they at? Where are you at? 9. Well, we have 19 minutes till the 1 hour closes with this SMT. Then I'll go short with a couple funded. On the 1 minute chart, it looks like it's kind of breaking down, creating like a head and shoulders type. Target 367. Volume has dropped too since 545. Isn't that like always, man? I hate the slowness of Globex. All right, 2 contracts short on my Apex funded account here. Picks up at 750. Yeah. Massey, are you in here? Let's see. Still hasn't put you in yet. It's a weird noise coming from a water machine over here. No water on the floor, so maybe we're good. Hey, put Apex space 1, Massey. This right here. Yeah, there you go. Massey, you're in. Brando trades, you're back to 1 entry. Wow. It's weird. Tommy Stark, you have a good day today? Yes, sir. I passed 2 more Apex accounts. And I think I did like 9,000. Here, let me look. I posted it on YouTube. I really don't think they will let this 1 hour close SMT at highs. I feel like NQ will push to match ES. We shall see. I'm looking at ES2, and we're at a very, very key point on the 1 hour chart. If we can break this high, we might actually go up. We're right there at it right now. If we close above it, I bet we do go up. Cave Trader, what's up, man? You weren't here yesterday, but you won a Apex account. But you gotta be present, man. 9K, not a bad day. That's all right. Yeah, it's a good day. I was very happy. And here comes the sell-off. Maybe see, we're already up $15. ES is at all-time highs. Yeah, it is. But it's trying to close. It needs to close above 418. I feel like we're gonna keep coming down just a little bit, but I don't know. We're breaking down, that's for sure. It's got to come down a little bit before it goes back up. Just my humble opinion. How many accounts are you trading total? I probably have like 30, 40 accounts. It wants 6425. Could. Oh, I didn't see that. You was live. I was in Discord helping my friend learn to trade. I have zero reason for that. It wants to make all-time highs, but I have no idea why. We're up 130 on the other account. This is my PA, but let me go to my eval here. We're up 130 currently. We're up $9 on, well, we were. Now it's popping up. What's order flow looking like? More buyers than sellers. For now. How you been, Cave? All right, we're back in the green on Top Step. Caveman, I get a payout tomorrow from Top Step. But I'm not going to take it. I'm going to build my buffer a little longer here. Good, man. Chilling. Well, nice to hear, man. Thank you, sir. I just want to build buffer. I've only hit my $200 per day. We're up to like $1,500. A $700 payout's not gonna really make or break my life. I'd rather use it as buffer. All right, here comes the sell-off, right? Maybe. I'd like to scale into this trade, so on my Top Step. Come on, Nazi. She's just chopping. There's a gap up too on the 5 minute. No, we're on the 1 minute now. Tommy Stark, it is respecting that bearish gap above the 1 minute. tapped into once. Talking about right here. We have this gap right here for you ICT traders. Look what it tries to come down, but then it goes right back up. It's like it's happy where price is right now. Oh, meant to tell you, so Lux Algo somehow, Lux Algo, someone that is on a Spaces crew I listen to on X. He builds algos for TradingView. He's got an ICT Concepts one that draws all the for you. That's cool, man. Just to look at when you don't have to figure them out. NQ very bullish, slow grind down. I don't know. We're at all-time highs, so I tend to short all-time highs. I'm not looking for a big payday, just so you know. I'm looking for maybe $50. This is 4 micros. I might scale in when it hits 425. But I'm not bullish either or bearish. I'm kind of playing the all-time highs, hoping to kind of come back down to the 420s-ish. How often do you stream? Every night, Asian session. Always the Asian. Yeah, I own a business, so I'm usually busy during the day. Gotta run my business, man. Intraday, I'm bearish, I should say. I'm bearish right now. I don't know about being bearish for a very long time. I feel like a healthy pullback is what we need right now. I'd be satisfied if it hit my take profit down there. But I don't know that we come lower. You know, I was thinking about putting a trade in last night and just letting it run. I had like 3 or 4 accounts running. You know, I would have passed more evals than just the 2 that I did today. I would have passed like 5 evals today if I would have just let it run. Because I woke up this morning, looked at the charts, and it was way down. ES needs to pull back to 6378. Well, that's a huge pullback, man. We were trading 6378 July 23rd at 1 p.m. Was that yesterday or today? What is today? Yesterday. Nasdaq be playing. Which is also a trend line too. Let's see. 6378 's part of a trend line. On what time frame? Because what I'm looking at, that's what we had, like a bull flag there on the 1 hour at around 1 o'clock. Nasdaq is just playing. Starting to see more orders on the downside, so hopefully she could push down a little more. 4 hour. The trend line goes back to the June 27th. Oh yeah, Nasdaq's got that thing going on too. Nasdaq's in a cool trend line channel up. Oh no, you're in shorts. Yeah, man. All-time highs. I can't. It's hard for me to buy at ATH, man. It's just real hard. He's dating the short, not marrying it. Yeah, definitely. I'm looking for like $50 here. I want to see it kind of retest the 20s, lower 20s. I'm actually about to make this a free trade. For $10. Hopefully we can catch another leg down. Cam's Pizza PSL. Just subscribe. Welcome in. Thanks for your subscription. Dan, we need to play some cards later, man. Tommy start getting ready to short this too. We need to put in a gap right here, then change state. Then once we retest, I'll go in. I don't think we're gonna go down for long. Not very long at all. All right, so we're guaranteed $25. I don't think I'm gonna scale in. I'm gonna leave it as is. Typically right now is where I would scale in, but I'm just gonna keep collecting as we go further down. Catch each leg. I'm satisfied with that. Boom, there's the gap. Yep. It definitely filled it, didn't it? All right, we're gonna make about $50 on this trade. Nice. Dan, you got scared for me. Yeah, let's do it, man. It was fun. Take a little more of this. It's pushing too hard, too fast, so I'm gonna trail tight. All right, we're out. Now I'm gonna go up here and check out my other. All right, look at that. $370. I'll take it. Oh, it's still going down, guys. Good grief. 450s. All right, and we're out. Let's go to the other apex, the PAs. Go ahead and take profits on those too. I said those, but I only put one trade in. All right, so far we're up $400, $475 for the day. It ain't even Monday. Change the state. Got my entry. There it goes. Change the state. Oh yeah, this is going to 366, 367. I don't know, man. Come back up for the retest and grab me. I feel like any short currently is kind of short term. We've been in a very long trend to the upside, and it has to make a new high. It like literally has to. I mean, it made a new high, but I mean like a significant high for me to be satisfied. Because look at the 4 hour. Let me show you. Joa Lou, welcome in. Thank you for your subscription. If you see the 4 hour trend, I mean, it's been pretty consistent. You know what I mean? This high right here is the only high that has not gone up. Let's see, how many points is that? 320, 420, so 100 points each time. You know what I mean? Give or take. It's not a perfect science, but the last time it didn't go up was here, and it just went down pretty good. So I don't know. I feel like it needs to come up to the 4 or 520s, at least into the 480s. Doesn't really have to. Epic Wave 24, welcome in. Thanks for your subscription and your support. Guys, 90% off Apex. Don't forget. Use code JSDT. Apex gave me this banner right here. But yeah, I mean, I feel like we either have to make a new high now or we're going to come down for a little bit. So I feel like it's an either or situation right now. And typically I don't really trade much during those situations because I can't figure it out. I can't guess. I got to react, I guess. I'm trying to get at. I don't want to guess the market. There's a gap at 397. Oh yeah, I think I saw that. Maybe it'll print a bear flag for you, Tommy. Which chart do you guys like to see the most? The chart you see now or this chart here? Ninja Trader or this one? Tapped in. Frank, blackout. You like the Ninja Trader chart? I kind of like looking at it too. I like the green and blue. Gap filled, now we rug. I feel like she wants to come up. Unless this is just a trap. I'm liking the momentum though, or the volume. Seems a little better. Gap filled, now we rug. Let's go. I'm gonna look at a higher time frame real quick. 15. Entry 426, stop 437. Oh, you went up for a long? Oh, you went short. Sorry, stop at 427, 437. I'm tired if you can't tell. Risking 220. Are you trading minis? Well, you have to be if you're risking that. Yeah, it just took me a second, man. I don't know. My mind's just not working proper. I'd hate to be in your short right now, though. But people said that about me, and my short played out just like I wanted it. Got a little more than what I wanted. Actually, I think I got exactly what I wanted. Maybe $1 more. How many micros are you trading? 11 points and 220 risk? You're at like 15 in micros. And your stop got taken out, didn't it? Let's see, you were at 437? No, not quite. It's about to, though. I'm good. Used to draw D1. Is this funded or eval? All right, we're only at 17 likes. Make sure y'all hit that like button. We're going to give away an Apex account at 50 likes. And you got about, let's see, 25 minutes for us to hit that. 10 micros. If NQ makes the high, then I don't want to be short. No, absolutely not. I don't want to be short now because of that candle that you're looking at. This candle. Right now we're getting a pullback for a bull flag. Funded. See, for me, especially in this hour, when I see a momentum candle like that, I want to trade the opposite of it. Now, not always, but when it hits pretty hard like that, I definitely do. Because a lot of times it's going to retrace it. I'm long 16 micros from 421. Nice. I thought about going long too, Dan. I'm thinking about it now. If it can go down just a tad bit more, get a healthier pullback. Most of the time, the market's not going to come down, shoot up, and then come down again. It does it, but it's not likely. Let's just get in 2 micros here. I'm going to keep my stop pretty tight on my funded account here, risking like $10 here. Oh, this is a funded account too. Tommy Stark, the system that I play has me going short right here. If I get stopped out, then this account is done for the day. That's good, man. Wasim, I am joining the party late. No, we've only been streaming for 57 minutes. Currently, I'm in a long position. Lieutenant Dan is in a long position, and Tommy Stark is in a short position. And he's got about 7 points until his stop is hit. So his stop's here. I don't know Dan's position size or anything like that, but all right, I'm scaling into my trade on Top Step here. Let's see if we can get them both on the screen. I'm not looking for huge gains. Look at that red candle down. What's your target, Dan? I mean NQ. $449.75. My target is the current highs. About right here. I'll go ahead and scale in another one here. NQ is really lagging, yes. If we get a chance in the state here on the 3 minute, I might actually exit early. You actually got stopped out, didn't you? No, you didn't. Not quite. I would if I were you, man. I feel like it's going. I feel like your target is a good target for my trade that I'm in now. Or your stop. I could be wrong though. It's not a strong push. When will you do TPT giveaway? I reached out to TPT today actually and talked to them about me being a subscriber. But you know how many subscribers they want me to have on my YouTube channel before they'll let me join the fun? Man, it seems like quite a while away. I've seen other streamers who have 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers and they're already TPT affiliates, but they want 5,000 subs now. They said that that's their new rule. Pushing in that gap now, see if we respect it or run through it and stop me out. Coach Fred, 1K. No, it's not 1K, it's 5K. So feel free to like the video, subscribe, share, comment, do everything. 5K is our goal. I do. No, they don't really. I don't know that they'll count my Discord members because honestly, people that are in Discord are already probably subscribed. So I don't know. Discord is just there for chit chatting and whatever, but it's slowly growing and getting a little bit more active and things are on the upside like this trade, but I guess things take time. You'll have it in a couple weeks. I've watched a dude go from nothing to 2,500 in like 5 weeks. Yeah, I had 100 subs about a month ago, not even a couple weeks ago, maybe. Just had 100, if that. Now we're up 619. Really, the sub count is a vanity number. I don't really care at the end of the day how many subs I have, but I do want to reach the 1,000 and I guess the 5,000 for TPT. And I only want to because I do want to make a side income with this, but I'm going to scale in again here, getting some healthy pullbacks. I definitely want to make a side income with this with ad revenue and affiliate stuff, so in spirit of transparency, but I don't really care about the subscriber count too much after 1,000. Nobody else does it. This is the time to stream for West Coast folks. Yeah. I don't like that push to the downside at all. But then again, if it pushes hard, it might come back hard too. Bears are really trying to push it down. Passive income is never a bad idea, especially if you start uploading more vids, etc. Your channel will work for you. Yeah, but it's just been hard to find time. That's why I try to stream every night. I want to be consistent with some sort of content, whether it's streaming or any kind of videos, but nope. Yes, made new highs again. I'm just going to hang out and let it do it for a minute. I'm going to look to start exiting about 50 bucks or so. We need a Trump tweet. As long as he don't mention tariffs, I'll be fine with that. I think you have to have like $50 a day on Apex. It's been a while since I've checked, but I'm pretty sure it's like 50. Whenever you're free, just record like a 2-3 hour video about your strategy and then split it up into parts and automate it in YouTube to upload like every week. There you have your consistency. Yeah, that's a good idea actually, Wasim. Thank you. Appreciate that. I do plan to make some more content, but I just gotta get to it. All right, I'm a guaranteed 27, 30 bucks on Top Step. Actually, we hit target. I meant to move it, but whatever. We're up 138 on Top Step. All right. Red Wayne. Red One channel, Nadeem. Do you swing trade also? Not really, because I've been trading props. Wow, what a move up. Not really. I do like swing trading for sure, but if I was going to swing trade anything, I would swing trade Nasdaq, and it would be all long positions. If we ever have like a huge sell-off for a couple weeks or something, I'll probably buy and hold for quite a while on my live account. Just let go of 7, holding 9, average 421.25. Nice, man. I had my take profit too low on that one. That popped to the upside. Whoa. See if we're DN. I name my accounts after athletes. Let's see. Besides you, you're a cool dude. You're chill. Sorry, I lost that. Etc. So you're easy to watch and listen to. I work in sales, and tonality is everything. You just got it. That must be why I'm really good at sales too. I literally started my business from nothing. People said I talk good. Not a huge fan of my voice. I guess no one is though. So you'll get lots of views in no time. Yeah, hopefully. That slippage cost me 10%. That sucks, man. I'm disputing that. I wouldn't even worry about it. All right, looks like we might actually try to go back up. We have like a... Well, maybe. We'll see. Hopefully it starts printing a little bull flag here. But then again, when we're up all-time highs like that, I'm super scared of buying. That trade that I took a minute ago and made the money we just made, it's really not for me. Right now I'm looking for shorts again because of where we are. I feel like we're gonna kind of chop sideways. Maybe kind of slow to the upside for a while and then sell off. I'm just moving to Verstappen. I'm a behaviorist with dogs. 50 cons long. Don't do that, man. Can't short the all-time high without expecting to get hurt. Man, every time it gets to an all-time high, I short it and I come out good. Every time. If you would have shorted right now, you'd be up, let's see, 42, 34, 10 points. I'm a scalper, like a true scalper. I'm not looking for 50 points. The manipulation wick was to take my liquidity. Well, you don't have liquidity unless you're actually trading live. What did I just do? I don't. What was that? Refresh. I'm a scalper too, but I'm looking for 20 to 50 points. Yeah, I know you are. You're a good scalper. I feel like it's time to sell for a short term. Dan is a great trader. Very good trader. He's even better than me. What's up, GBK? How you doing? Dan, I'm taking a payout after, I don't even know how long now, but tomorrow I'll get a payout from Top Step. It's my first account with Top Step. Take whatever the market decides to give and adios. Yeah, I react to it also. It's been like 2 months since I've had a payout. I get a little brave and man, it's been a while. I'm just getting used to how I've got 14 days on 200. 14 days, 200 on Top Step on one account. Yeah, I want to go for like 30 days, 200, and then take a nice little $5,000 chunk. I've got another eval, and I'm copy trading it, and where's it at? Shoot. No, it's right here in front of me. And so far, we are up, we're over halfway on the pass, so should be able to get it passed soon. I'm just taking my time growing my accounts. Got a bunch of Apex though. Now I can't even talk. No matter how good I am, I think I am, I will always be a fish in a sea of sharks and whales. Just close it short on gold, doing great. Nice, man. I don't know which one. Was it this one? Yeah. Can we copy trade on NinjaTrader? Yeah. I use, not on NinjaTrader. You can do it on Tradeify, but I use the Apex copier. This be the one. The Apex copier. I got a bunch more accounts down here, but no, it's like 150. I don't recommend it though. It's not bad. It's not terrible. It works fine. A little pullback to the upside and then back down, maybe. Can we copy trade into that 30-day 200 for daily payouts just got changed to 30 days of 200 on the live account to earn daily payouts. Oh, so you have to do $200 a day on the live to get the daily payouts? When do you get uncapped on Top Step? Does anyone know? I wouldn't recommend copy trading directly from Tradeify. You can't place TP and SL brackets. Yeah, you can't bracket trade with Tradeify for sure. Dan said, yep. So that must mean the question asked about Apex. I'm looking for shorts on NQ below 2-3. What do you think? I don't know, man. Below 23,420. Honestly, nah. I'd be looking for long positions about this point here. I'm looking for short positions at this point here. Live after 30 days of 200. Need 30. A lot of props are changing things right now. Tradeify, new dashboard. Did they change anything? Yeah, they changed their straight to funded to lightning funded. Top Step changed a lot. Let's see. Who else changed? My funded futures. Funding ticks. Has anyone heard of anyone going live on Apex yet? Because I haven't. LT Dan, do you know if they count all your funded accounts? Or just, they just count one. It's individual. I know that for sure. They may put all of them into all your profits. I think he's right. I'm looking for shorts under 410 and longs above 420. Not even that guy with 2 mil in payouts isn't live. I don't know. I feel like we're going to chop, Dan. It's like it's got some perfect little levels here. That was terrible English. Whoops. 420 close of candle, yes. So go to 15-minute and look break back below the equal highs. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Is same thing you just mentioned, Tommy. MNQ looks a little different. No, they're the same. NQ and MNQ, aren't they? I don't think they trade different at all. It's the same, just a different contract size, different price per tick. I've got the NQ right here and it looks exactly the same. ES is at new highs too, by the way. So could keep going. How many likes are we at? 21. We just need 29 more. ES is at 420. We have 2 minutes and 30 seconds before this giveaway ends. I'd like to do the giveaway, but I've got to get to bed. Yeah, it's the same. Sorry, I'm looking to the left for equal highs on 15. Oh, I see what you're saying. But sorry, guys, if we don't reach it, we can try again tomorrow. I'm required to hit the 50K or the 50 likes minimum. So we hit it pretty fast yesterday or last night. Not a bad day. We're up, let's see, 3, 4, 5, almost 600 of it bucks, 575 or something like that. Not bad for an hour, 20 minutes. And where I'm funded too. All right, see if we can get a rush of likes. We got 24 likes currently. We need 26 more to hit that 50. And I'll do the giveaway. The giveaway time frame is over. Pinion Mendez Israel. Welcome in. Thank you for your subscription. If you don't want to be part of the giveaway, just hit the like button anyway for someone else. We're at 24 currently. Dre Futures, nice work. Thank you, sir. Tommy Stark, if my short plays out right after it stopped, I'm going to laugh. Yeah, me too. You could probably get a little short in right now. Looks like it wants to kind of come down. I don't want to guess the market, though. I want to react. $624 subs. That is cool. All right, I'll open the raffle back up, but let's see how many likes we have. It says you can no longer enter. Timer has stopped. We're at 25. Ray Dune, Red One, Channel Nadeem, just subscribe. Thanks for your subscription, sir. Thought you already subscribed. But welcome in. I'll keep all these tickets and we'll do it again tomorrow. Let me just check real quick. Got a couple more minutes here. I'm really tired. All right, we're still at 25, but that's okay. We will resume it tomorrow. Yeah, I wasn't guessing. Everything for sure was there. Oh, I wasn't saying you were, man. I'm sorry if it sounded that way. I just got wicked out, which actually makes it invalid. So, yeah. So is life. Try again next time. Yeah, I wasn't saying you were guessing the market. Like right now, I feel like a short would play out, but I want to see one more candle. I want to see what this candle does, and I want to know if it's going to break down. So like this right here, kind of the same thing. Looks like it might come down. I wouldn't say forever either, but... And my stop would have held at ATH, plan to get wrecked. Everybody says that, man, but I'm telling you, every time it hits ATH, I can't buy. I just can't justify it in my head. I know the market overall wants to go up, right? Historically, it moves. It moves up, right? But I don't know. It's just a mental thing for me, I guess. ATH, no buys. Unless we get a healthy pullback. Short-term buys, yeah. Short-term sales, yes. I'm just kind of, my hands are tied when we're in this range. I need to see something happen. I need some sort of action. I like trading when market opens because the market tanks or it shoots up, right? All that volatility. And at some point, it's got to react or it's got to reverse. So, I wait for a big move down or a huge move up, and then I'm going the opposite because it kind of grinds its way back to equilibrium. And yeah, so, that's where I'm at with that. I like trades like that, something big. And then I like supply and demand style trading as well. But no matter what you trade, you gotta manage your risk, or you'll get wrecked. Don't want to do that. Trust me, I have firsthand experience getting wrecked. You can watch my YouTube past lives where I lost like $35,000. 35K down the drain. I had a really bad red day that day. This hurts. Did you not jump in? Chris V, wish I could trade futures here in Canada where I am. You can't trade futures? What? Canada? No way. Surely you can. I lost 75K in options in 2002. Ooh, that sucks, man. You're 46. I'm 37. I lost 15K on Nasdaq February, March, something like that. Live. Actual cash. Not prop firms, but actual cash. I just sat there and watched it. My jaw was dropped. I was 22 and overconfident. Yeah, it happens. All right, dudes. I'm about to hit the hay. It's time to go to bed. Gotta get up in the morning. Red One channel. That was not a bad day, but you learned something. Oh, yeah. Those bad days are actually good days. You learn not to tilt. And not to move your stop loss or, I don't know. A lot of bad things went wrong that day. Ouch, the prop firm stuff is too easy. Yeah, it's pretty easy, but here I had to, I don't know, kind of relearn trading, I feel like, when Trump came in the house. 1 second, 100-point candles. All right, guys, I'm out. Y'all have a good night. Peace. Good night, Chris V. Brando, all right, man, take care. See ya.